Welcome guys. Today we will discuss about all chemokines receptor, that means CCL1 to CCL28 receptor, and along with it I will talk about other name of these chemokines and gene of each chemokine. So, the first member of CC chemokine motif is CCL1, which is encoded by SCYA1 gene, and it is also known as I309 and TCA3. Its receptor is CCR8. Now CCL2. CCL2 is encoded by SCYA2 gene, and it is also known as MCP1, and its receptor is CCR2. CCL3 is encoded by SCYA3 gene, and it is also known as MIP1 alpha, and its receptor is CCR1. CCL4 is encoded by SCYA4 gene, and it is also known as MIP1 beta. Its receptor is CCR1 and CCR5. CCL5 is encoded by SCYA5 gene, and it is also known as RANTES, and its receptor is CCR5. CCL6 is encoded by SCYA6 gene, and it is also known as C10 and MRP2, and its receptor is CCR1. CCL7 is encoded by SCYA7 gene, and it is also known as MARC and MCP3, and its receptor is CCR2. CCL8 is encoded by SCYA8 gene, and it is also known as MCP2. Its receptor is CCR1, CCR2B, CCR5. CCL9 and CCL10 are almost same, so they both of them are encoded by SCYA9 gene, and it is also known as MRP2, CCF18, MIP1, and its receptor is CCR1. CCL11 is encoded by SCYA11 gene, and its other name is eotaxine, and its receptor is CCR2, CCR3, and CCR5. CCL12 is encoded by SCYA12 gene, and it is also known as MCP5. Its receptor is not clear yet because it is a very confusing topic, and till now the receptor of CCL12 is not confirmed. CCL13 is encoded by SCYA13, and it is also known as MCP4, NCC1, CKB10. Its receptor is CCR2, CCR3, and CCR5. CCL14 is encoded by gene SCYA14. It is also known as HCC1, MCIF, CK-beta1, NCC2, and its receptor is CCR1. Next is CCL15, which is encoded by SCYA15. It is also known as leucotactin 1, MIP5, HCC2, NCC3. Its two receptor, that is CCR1 and CCR3. CCL16 is encoded by SCYA16, and it is also known as LEC, NCC4, LMC, CK-beta12. Its receptor is CCR1, CCR2, CCR5, and CCR8. Next is CCL17, which is encoded by SCYA17 gene. It is also known as TARC and dendrokine. Its receptor is CCR4. Next is CCL18, which is encoded by SCYA18 gene. Its other name is PARC, DCCK1, AMAC1, MIP4. Its receptor is not identified. Next is CCL19, which is encoded by gene SCYA19. Its other name is ELC, CK beta 11 and Exodus 3. Its receptor is CCR7. CCL20 is encoded by SCYA20 gene. It is also known as LARC, Exodus 1, CK beta 4 and its receptor is CCR6. CCL21, it is encoded by gene SCYA21. Its other name is Exodus 2, SLC, CK beta 9, TCA4 and it has only one receptor, that is CCR7. CCL22, it is encoded by gene SCYA22 and its other name is MDC, DC beta CK and its receptor is CCR4. Here DC means dendritic cells, which is a type of immune cells. Now CCL23, it is encoded by SCYA23 gene and it is also known as MPIF1, MIP3, CK beta 8. Its receptor is CCR1. CCL24, it is encoded by gene SCYA24. Its other name is eotaxin 2, MPIF2, CK beta 6 and its receptor is CCR3. CCL25, it is encoded by SCYA25 gene and it is also known as TECK, CK beta 15 and its receptor is CCR9. CCL26 is encoded by gene SCYA26 and its other name is eotaxin 3, MIP4A or MIP4 alpha, IMAC, TSC1 and its receptor is CCR3. The second last is CCL27, which is encoded by gene SCYA27. It is also known as CTACK, ILC, skin, pisky and skinkine. Its receptor is CCR10. Now CCL28, the last one. This is encoded by gene SCYA28. Its other name is MEC and its receptor is CCR10 and CCR3. In many chemokines, the other name contain MCP. It means monocyte chemotractant protein. It is a type of chemotractant protein which is divided in 4 or 5 group or more than 5 group also. There is one very important point in this, that each and every CCL is protein also and gene also. I mean to say that, like let's take an example of CCL5. Then CCL5 is protein also and it is encoded by CCL5 gene. So this is little bit confusing, that but a protein is also encoded by a gene and it both may be similar.